Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to justify text in Microsoft Word Mobile. If we want our documents to look cleaner and more professionally aligned on our phone or tablet, this tutorial will help. On the mobile dashboard, all we need to do is tap Microsoft Office Word. Once we are here, we want to tap this option. All we have to do is choose the word and select the document we want to justify. Once we tap our document, we will be inside it. From here, all we need to do is tap the Edit option at the bottom. After we tap Edit, editing will start, and we can begin making changes to our document. To justify our text, all we need to do is tap the Alignment option. Once we tap this, we can choose between Left Align, Center, Right Align, or Justify. All we have to do is choose Justify, and it will be applied right away. As we can see, it will appear at 100, which means justification has been applied to our document. And that's it. We now know how to justify text in Word Mobile.